Then he developed the primary sex characteristics. That is, his sex glands and genital organs developed, and he had nocturnal emissions of semen. And finally, the secondary sex characteristics appeared. Now that all this has happened to our Johnny, he is very close to being a man. Let's see what happened to Janie during puberty. Here she is at age 10. She is an average girl, just as Johnny is an average boy. In girls, puberty is preceded for a year or so by increased secretion of the growth hormone from the pituitary gland. And for about 2 years, Janie grows rapidly. Actual puberty begins at about 13, usually a year earlier than it does in boys. At this time, the sex or gonadotropic hormone is secreted in greater quantities, and the sex glands and organs develop rapidly. Since these are all internal organs in girls, their rapid development may cause the stomach to protrude. The pubescent girl is usually very self-conscious about this. These are Janie's primary sex characteristics. Here is a diagram of the fully developed female reproductive mechanism. The ovaries are female sex glands in which the reproductive eggs, or ova, are developed. The fallopian tubes form the passage through which the mature ovum passes to the uterus, or womb. The vagina provides a passage from the uterus to the outside of the body. At puberty, female sex cells begin maturing within the ovaries. Usually, one egg reaches maturity and is released every 28 days. The ovum travels through the fallopian tube toward the uterus. At the same time, the lining of the uterus becomes engorged with blood and nutritive fluids in preparation for the development of a fertilized egg into a baby. If the female cell is not fertilized, it dissolves or disintegrates in the tube. Then the uterine wall lining, no longer needed to receive a fertilized egg, breaks down and is discharged from the body through the vagina. This release of blood, mucus, and unused cell tissue normally takes place every 28 days and